This is the difference between normal motion blur and Blurify. Here's how to set it up. First, download Blurify, extract it, open Fusion, drag in the installer, and click OK. Now it's installed. Next, go to the Edit page, open Effects, and drag Blurify onto your clip. That's it. One thing to keep in mind, Blurify is heavy, so only use it at the end. To do that, render your edit first, then re-import it into Resolve. Now add an adjustment clip on top and apply Blurify there. If your video has cuts, you'll notice weird blending between clips. To fix this, go to Timeline, then Detect Scene Cuts. Now go through each cut using the down arrow, and press Ctrl+B to cut the adjustment clip at every point. Just spam it. Once that's done, render again. If you want to do this without Blurify, here's the manual method. First, render your project and re-import it. Press Ctrl+R, click the drop-down, and set the speed to 10%. Next, on the inspector, open Retime and Scaling. Set Retime Process to Optical Flow and Motion Estimation to Enhance Better. Now render the result. Re-import it, and remove the original clip. Press Ctrl+R again and speed it up to 1000% by dragging the end of the clip. Now open the clip in Fusion. Add a frame average node, set it to both, and set the value to 10. Render one final time. The downside is that this method won't preserve sharp cuts. If you want clean cuts, you'll need to apply this process to each clip individually or use Blurify. Also, rendering multiple times can reduce quality. To avoid this, use ProRes codec when exporting. Done. Subscribe.